is the Marlene Vlogs. We do the harvest today. No Tagalog, sorry. We still love you.
Look how big. Look how big the cucumbers are. They're huge. I'll show you. And there's Hello Hello. We have 30 minutes to do this because it's almost noon.
Harvest afternoon. Let your plant die.
Look at all the chili peppers. Ta-da! What do we think the weather is like? It is perfect.
Probably about like high 70s. A little bit of a breeze.
What is this one?
Squash.
Squash. And then all the
You look at the red.
herbs.
Yeah, so this one is apple mint. This one is strawberry mint. That one's celery. Come. This one is red okra. It's still blooming. This is an olive tree. You can see that one here. And then eggplant, regular pepper. What's that one? Tomato? I think tomatoes. Watch out for poop. This is a fig tree.
Bell peppers.
Yeah, the regular peppers.
Oh.
And then I think this one's lime. That's it. And then there's okra up there drying for the Philippines.
Okay. We'll do update later when we're done harvesting.
Show you the big haul later. Goodbye.
Look at what we
This is
got.
the harvest for today. Kids takeover edition. We got the cucumber on the table over there. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 cucumber. Close to maybe 100 chilies.
Okay.
This one may be the next harvest tonight. We just don't know what to do yet. And the okra. And the okra later. Thank you for coming to our food edition.